In this module, you will learn about sets and the representation of a given set. In our daily life, we encounter different collection of objects, such as a box of pencils or a bunch of flowers. Similarly, in mathematics, we often encounter different types of collections, like a collection of numbers on a real line, or a plane figure, which is a collection of points on a plane, and so on. We can refer to these collections as sets if these collections are defined well. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. By well-defined collection, we mean that we should be able to decide whether a particular object belongs to a definite collection or not. To understand this better, let's consider a circle on a plane. In this plane, we can certainly define which point belongs inside the circle and which does not. Here, we can say that the circle is a well-defined set of points on a plane. Another example of a well-defined collection is natural numbers less than 5. This collection of natural numbers is well-defined, as we can definitely decide whether a given particular number belongs to this collection or not. An example of a set that is not well defined is a set that consists of clever students. This is not a well-defined set because the choice of clever students is not clear, since there is no accurate measure for cleverness. A set is always denoted with a capital letter. The elements of a set are denoted with small letters. The word element is used synonymously with the words object and member. Consider the set shown here. The set is denoted with a capital letter A. The elements are denoted with small letters The element P belongs to set A. We denote this with the following symbol. Any other element, say Z, which does not belong to set A, is denoted as shown. The following are some special sets that are commonly used in mathematics to represent various systems of numbers. There are two ways of representing sets. The first is the roster form. The second method is called the set builder form. First, we will look at the roster form. This method of representing sets is also called the tabular form. Suppose there is a set of prime numbers less than 10. The prime numbers less than 10 are 2, 3, 5, and 7. To represent this set in roster form, we simply start with a bracket. List the elements and close with a bracket. Let's name this set as P. Similarly, a set of natural numbers between 20 and 30 is represented as shown. It should be noted that the order of the elements in a set is immaterial. So, set A can also be written as shown. While representing a set in roster form, the elements are generally not repeated. For example, let's take the set of the letters of the word trigonometry and represent them in roster form. In the representation, the elements TRO are repeated. So, this set can be represented as shown with the elements T, R, and O written only once. So, only the distinct elements are written while representing a set in the roster form. While we just simply list the elements to represent a set in the roster form, the set builder form is a more concise form of a given set. Let's use the same example that we have seen previously. We have a set of numbers 2, 3, 5, and 7. In this set, every element is considered equal to a variable x. Now we start writing the set in the set builder form. We start with a bracket and write the variable. Then we place a colon. We assign a property to this variable. If we observe, the numbers are all prime numbers. Added to this, every number is less than 10. Thus, we can write the set as shown. Each part of this representation is as follows. X represents each element in the set, and the statement is the property that defines the set. We name this set as P. We read this as P is the set of all x such that x is a prime number less than 10. As another example, let's represent the set of natural numbers between 20 and 30 using the set builder form. Here is the set of natural numbers between 20 and 30. Here, we consider any element in the set as n. N is a natural number, and n lies between 20 and 30. We name this set A. We read this set as follows. A is the set of all n such that n is a natural number, and n lies between 20 and 30.